Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja. You can call me Rutuja ma'am. See, today we are going to start our 7th standard maths, 4th lesson angles and pairs of angles. Okay, so first of all, tell me what is meant by angle. Anyone knows? See, angle. Our first topic is angle. Now, what is an angle? See, these are two rays. Angle is formed by two rays with a common end point. See here, these are two rays. Sorry. These are two rays A and C, and here it is a common end point B. So angle is formed by two rays with an common end point. This is angle ABC. Now this common end point called vertex. Common end point called vertex. And these two rays are called arms. Shall I take one more example for it? See here. This is angle PQR. Here, this one ray P and Q is called arm. And this ray QR is second arm. Now here it is the end point Q. This end point is called vertex. So everyone understood what is meant by angle. Angle is formed by two arms with a common end point. This end point is called vertex, and these two arms, these two rays are called arms. Now we will move towards our second topic. Our second topic are interiors and exteriors. Our second topic are interior and exteriors. Our second topic is interior and exterior of an angle. Anyone knows what is interior and exterior of an angle? See here, first of all we will see what is interior of angle. Suppose this is an angle M and P. Now here it is a space inside the angle, and this one space is outside of angle, right? That much everyone knows. See, this is an angle M and P, and this space is inside the angle, and this one space is outside of the angle. Now this space which is inside the angle is called interior. And this outside one space is called exterior. Understood? See, again I am explaining now. This angle MNP is having this space inside an angle, and this inside an angle space is called interior, and this outside of angle space is called exterior. Understood everyone? Now if I put some points inside this space here, suppose I put some points here, like here A, here C, here Q. Okay, and here S, T, U. So now you can tell me what is the interior of an angle M and P. Which points are inside an angle and which points are outside an angle. See here, interior. First, A is present inside an angle which is called interior A. Then second point is Q and third point is C. These points are present inside an angle, so we will call it interior. Now next one, exterior. Exterior. Now you can tell me exterior points. First point, exterior means the points which are present outside an angle. First point, S is outside an angle. Second point, U, and third point, here T. Understood everyone? Exterior means the points which are present outside an angle. See here, S, U, T. These all points are outside an angle. That's why we will call it exterior. Done? Now we will move towards our next topic. Shall I give some questions to you to solve? See here. Now I am going to give you one homework regarding this topic, interior and exterior. You can note down in your notebooks. Open your notebooks. Note down today's homework. For everyone, board is visible, no? See here. Angle A, B, C. Now, you have to tell me which are interior and which are exterior. You can tell me now also. Okay, this is your homework. You can solve it at home and tell me tomorrow. Now shall I rub? Okay. One more point is here. Now only we learn the space inside an angle is interior and space outside an angle is exterior. But suppose I put here point T and here point U. So what we can call to it? These are the points on arms. See, now only we learn these rays are called arms of an angle and this end point is called vertex. So suppose I put you point over here, so it is point on an arm. So now tell me points on an arm. First point, T. See here, this A, B arm and this T point is situated on this arm. So points on an arm is T. Next, one more point is there which is situated on arm. This B, C is second arm and this U point is situated on this arm. So these 2 points are situated on arm of an angle. Done? Understood everyone? Any doubt regarding this? Now we will move towards our next topic. Our next topic is adjacent angles. Anyone knows what is meant by adjacent angles? Okay. So suppose I draw over here this angle. See your angle BMD. But here one more angle is there, QMD. Suppose I said here we will make 2 separate angles from this one angle. See, this one angle BMD and we will make 2 angles from this one angle. We will divide this angle by ray Q. Now first angle is angle BMQ and second angle is angle QMD. Now what is common in these 2 angles? See here this arm MQ is common in this both the angles, arm MQ, and this vertex or end point also common. So we can call these 2 as adjacent angles. But one more thing sir here. Now only we see adjacent angle means adjacent angles are having one common arm and common end point, common vertex. But here suppose I put over here point A and point C and here point S and point T. These points are situated inside an angle, right? That means it is the interiors. But in this both the angles, these interiors are not common, right? It is separate. For this angle BMQ, which are the interiors? A, C, right? And for angle QMD, which are the interiors? ST. So, what did you learn from this? That the adjacent angles are the angles which are having common arm, common vertex, but these are having separate interiors, right? Okay. These adjacent angles are two angles which are having common vertex, common arm, but separate interiors are said adjacent angles. Everyone understood? Now we will solve practice set 15. Everyone please open page number 25. Everyone please open page number 25, practice set 15. Page number 25, practice set 15. Question number 1. Everyone open. Question number 1. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. First question. Observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. Now first, tell me points in the interior. Interior means what? Now only we learn the space inside an angle, that are interior. So tell me what points in the interiors. Which points are present inside an angle? See here, R. R. Second one N. Then third C. And fourth X. These are the points in the interior. Right? Now second one. Points in the exterior. Exterior means space outside an angle. So which points are present in exterior? First point, see here, U. Second point, T. Third, Q. Fourth, V. And fifth point is 1. Now last, which topic is remaining? which points are remaining? This A and G. That points are on the arm. So points on the arm. Tell me which points are on the arm. Points on the arms. First point A. A is present on which arm? AW. And second, G. G is present on WB arm. Understood everyone this question? Any doubt regarding this? Now I'll give you 5 minutes to write down this board work. You can write. After that, we will solve second question.